Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you how to cancel membership on chess.com. I was on chess.com the other day and realized I still had an active subscription even though I hadn't played in odd weeks. So I figured I'd check how hard it is actually to cancel. And honestly, it's more straightforward than it looks at first glance. I went into the settings area by clicking the small gear icon in the lower corner, then opened the full settings menu. From there, I found a membership section which is basically where all subscription controls live. That's where things get interesting. You don't have to dig through anything complicated once you're in the right place. Inside the membership tab, there's an option to manage or cancel your plan, depending on your current subscription tier. I clicked through it, and it did ask for a quick reason, which felt like a wait don't leave yet moment, but nothing mandatory or stressful. After confirming the cancellation, the subscription stops and you just can't continue using the free version anytime. It's one of those processes that feels intimidating until you actually try it. Then it's just a few clicks and done. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.